With the success of our video of our camper tour, the 2022 Flagstaff 25 FKBS, we thought we'd check out what's new for 2024 and see if it's worth the upgrade to that model.
If you haven't seen that video of our camper tour, it has over 100,000 views.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. And if you want to see that video, we'll put a link in the description below. So our model has a stainless steel fridge and it only opens from one side. The new ones have the black fridge that open from both sides. So if you make sure that you're connected on one side and not the other, you can open it in either direction. I like that perk.
And it's handy if you're sitting on the couch and you want to grab a beverage. And speaking about the sofa, we absolutely love this couch. It's comfortable, it reclines for easy relaxing, it's got everything you want. However, the new 2024 model has the cool little table inserts on each side. It's got those pins that stick right down in and they swivel out so you can eat, move them out of the way, get up, do what you got to do. But, so we've been told, if you do recline, it stays over your lap so you can lay down and eat while you're laying here. Our 2022 model has the big old heavy table that you have to schlep across the back of the couch. We actually took it out of our camper altogether because the thing weighs about 100 pounds. And it's cumbersome, it's bulky, we don't like it. We got an awesome king camp table, which is easily foldable and movable. Love that thing. But the other thing about this model, this fold down armrest is great. However, these cup holders are only this deep. We got like 1.5 knuckles of my finger, which is only about like an inch and a half tops. So if they're not big around, you can't put a giant thing in here. You're lucky if they can hold a soda can, and that's about all. So we don't hate it, but we'd rather have the new couch.
One of the things the 2024 model has that ours doesn't is roller shades with magnets on the inside so that they magnetize into place. Ours has the accordion style lines, which, you know, is great, but they're a little bit more difficult than a roller shade would be. So that's something the 2024 model has going for it for sure. So if you saw the video tour of our 2022 camper, you would know that I was confused as to what to do with the cubbies in this Vanity. This camper has way more than enough storage for just the two of us, so all I have in here is home decor type items just to fill the space, make it look cute, more homey. But the 2024 campers don't have these cubbies. The Vanity goes from side to side, the full length, with one big door for your vanity needs.
Yep. And also, if you watched our video, you know that I want to raise this sucker up come the spring. It's a little chilly here in New York. It's February. But when the weather warms up a little bit, I want to get out here and move this up about 6 inches because right now all I can see is from like here down. And if you're like me, over 6 feet tall, it's great for brushing your teeth, but you don't get to watch yourself do it, and that's the blast. No, anyway, I'm just kidding. So stay tuned for that video. I'm sure it's going to be riddled with bloopers at the end, so watch the whole thing. And we'll tell you exactly how to do it. I just got to figure out where all the screws go, and then we'll take care of it. And one of the other great features about the new 2024 is they did away with some of the baggage door locks. They now all have slam latches, which is fantastic. I've always wanted them, never had them. But these are okay. I mean, they're just like everybody else's. But if you just slam them, it's just cooler. They feel sturdier. I don't know. Nothing wrong with these, but slam latches are an upgrade.
So there you have it. Those are the differences between the 2022 model that we have and the new 2024 campers. I gotta tell you, I love the features of the new 2024. What do you think? Should we trade up?
No. As much as we would love to, we would not be able to afford it. Yeah, obviously, we just bought this a little over a year ago, and we've enjoyed it one season already. So
we'd be completely upside down, so it doesn't make sense. No. But if you're just coming into this and you want to buy a used 2022 model, I want to tell you that they're fantastic, and you'll save money by getting the older model. If you want all the bells and whistles, go for the 2024.
If you can afford it, I would go for the 2024. They are fantastic. I think they even changed the outside color a smidge. I don't remember, but that's a possibility. Either way, I like the way it looks.
So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
We always like the likes, we like the comments, but the subscriptions mean a million things more to us than anything else. That really helps drive us along and make more of these videos going forward.
Thanks for watching.
And happy camping.